up, guys? It's Brad from the Old Souls in snowy Nebraska. It's a blizzard today. It's absolutely awful. So I got something a little bit different. I'm gonna send it down to North Carolina, and Jason is working on his B16A3 and doing a little gasket work. So that's what this video is about, and it's way nicer down there than it is here. So catch you guys after the video. Peace.
All right, guys. Well, Jason here with B16A3. Gonna replace this here gasket between the solenoid and the solenoid housing. You're gonna want to move these wires out of the way, otherwise they'll definitely be in your way. Start moving all your sensors. These can sometimes be a pain in the butt, especially when your phone's in the way. Alright, here, needle nose, kind of pop him in. These things are so dang brittle. You don't want to take this right here off. Personally, I don't really like these wire keepers. Take the screw out. That bad boy off. You don't want to take this sensor off. This one is one of the most sensitive one out of the two. You break that one, you're gonna pay hell to get that booger off. Alright, we're gonna start by on the top. We're gonna clean these pieces individually. Yeah, it was due for that one to be replaced. You can see. And just in case you're wondering what the part number is for this, 1994 OldSols VTEC. That's a upper solenoid. And that's the biggest reason why it was leaking right there. Split. Next, we're going to take these off. You have to be careful with some of these bolts because they will break off. Let's give this a little bit of a pull. You'll have a little bit of oil pour out, so that's nothing to really be alarmed of. And by the way, you're going to want to take this little key out. Just little turn head. I never can remember what these things are called. But yep. And if you look on the inside of that, it has some fine debris in there. It's definitely something you don't want to get in there. Looks good and clean. Make sure there's no fine particles in there. And by the way, I encourage everybody to have this stuff. Shinatsu grease. If you have a Del Sol, you should have this stuff. Wonderful product. Now, as you can see, when I turned it over and the pin decided to break loose, this is why my VTEC engagement doesn't like to work. Not exactly sure what this is, but it sure did come out of there. Alright, next we're going to reinstall this. Next gasket. We cleaned it. Got it very, very good. Got some of the crap off of it. Some of the stuff that was left on the inside. So, put this back on. We got some very good characters here. Very well. Don't forget the last bolt either. You don't really want these incredibly tight because you will split the gasket.
Who else drew on that paper? Was it you? Good deal. I like it. Oh, I gotta see it now. I looked at it and said, there's more than what I put on there.
Yeah, the one that I circled was over 400% over. Yep.
Yeah, there's one that's like, what's up with this? And I'm like,
I just happened to notice it, and I was like, yeah, I might want to let somebody else notice this too. You're going to want to tighten this up just a fuzz. Not too terribly much, but just a fuzz. And back in. That back one. Just like that.